Wow. So give me all your
I'm
money.
trying to make my intro.
Okay.
Hey guys, Asham Steve here, and today I'm here with both of my cousins. You already know this one,
Cassandra.
Yeah, I don't care. And
A special
yeah,
guest.
special guest. She's not very special, but you know.
Wow. Oh.
Whoopsie. No, I'm
Uh-huh.
gonna spend a day with my two annoying bum daughters, and we go into the pool party tomorrow. So if they're not in bed, I'm gonna get the belt and beat them.
Don't kill me, please.
Well, you better be in bed.
I'm in bed.
I don't know what you thought. Oh, you stink. Let me get out of here. You live. So I'll get to this house.
Mommy.
I don't know.
Mommy, what you want? What? Mommy, what do you call mommy for? What?
Again,
What? It's past your bedtime. Why you not in bed?
because you don't want to be.
What?
Dead.
What do you want? Why is this light not on? Why is this light not on? I have to pay bills. I have to pay bills, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Take this medicine and shut up. Go back to
I
bed.
don't know what the bathroom is.
Oh, so you wanna get the belt? Okay, you get the belt. Get back in your bedroom. Get back
I'm in the bathroom.
You call this your bedroom? I'm gonna kick you out this house. Get in your bedroom. Get in your bedroom.
I'll go to the shower in the night.
Okay, I'm disowning you as my child.
Wow.
Get in your bed.
I'm taking a shower.
Oh, let me get the belt.
I'm starving. Run. 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 Run.
Get the belt.
Run.
Go to bed.
Okay.
Thank you. Or we not going to that pool party tomorrow.
I'm going. Okay, hold on.
Okay. Go to bed.
It's freezing. I'm gonna be right there.
Yeah, go to bed. I don't want to go to your Lulu stupid party. What you thought this was? Go to bed.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. I'm gonna room there.
Your room is right here. Girl, if you don't follow me, right here. Right in here. Right there. Yup.
Okay.
One second.
God.
Why are you running? There we go. Now we're gonna simply lock the door so my child doesn't get out
Wow.
and make sure that my child sleeps. Okay.
And abuse.
Now
Sleep. Okay, I'm sleeping.
I'm gonna give you guests too. So, and now I'm gonna lock your door too.
I was never planning to get out.
Sure. I wanna go to this pool party, so
And you're
I don't know what you're talking about being sick. What you thought this was? What did you think this was?
I said I don't feel good. I never said I was
Take the medicine and shut up. Go to bed. I got time for this. Okay? Okay. Sure. Wow! Carl, we back. Technical difficulties. Wake up!
Okay.
Brush your stank breath.
Oh God.
Go take a shower.
I'm still.
And let me break. What?
I'm gonna be inside right there.
Yeah, that's what I thought.
Mom, I'm starving.
Go brush your teeth. Your breath stink and you smell
Wow.
disgusting. Okay. Who's knocking on my door? Who knocked?
I
I'ma
can't
beat
open the
you.
door.
I'ma beat you. And you. Both of you go take a shower. Oh no, I'm not about to stink. Nope. Who said I stink? What you thought this was?
I'm hungry.
Why do I not hear water? Why do I not hear water? Hello? Okay, good. I hear water now. Good. Okay.
I just moved mommy.
This is if you keep playing that oof time, that's gonna be you. Oh my God, here we go again. Oh, you gonna get your own breakfast?
Yeah.
Oh, that's what you thought. If you don't stop knocking on my door, get inside the house.
Thank you.
I'm trying to make y'all breakfast. Rude.
Make my
Mommy,
breakfast.
can I get phones?
What?
Hunger, 0% fun, 0% hygiene, 0% energy. 88%.
Well, first of all, your breath stink.
Oh God.
Can I get perms?
It's me. Sir. You, the one says that you're always hungry, that's why you fat. Eat that.
Eat what? Eat what?
Are you blind? Do you not see the table? The food.
Okay. Nothing's not coming out.
We don't have phones.
Press
That's why we can't do anything.
Crumbs my butt.
Thank you.
Learn how to speak properly. That's why you in school. Thank you. That's not a word, bum.
Chica daddy.
Thank
What?
you.
Sit.
Wait.
Oh my God.
Okay.
Sit now.
Eat
Eat
just.
just.
I don't want to eat this. I'm just kidding. I'm gonna eat all. I'm a hungry
Now we
dog.
need to hurry up because I'm trying to go to this pool party, and if it's whack, we leaving.
8.
And we going to the beach. Whack.
Please let it get away.
Shut up. You can't sing.
Oh my God. Wow. Okay. That's so. I'm sorry.
What? What do you
Sis
want?
didn't pray.
What?
Don't let me slap you across the head. Why didn't you pray?
I'm done eating.
Oh, here we go again. We're back. Oh my
Wait,
God,
wait,
here
wait,
we go again. Why are you running? Like why?
I'm gonna
Just
be
why?
right there. I'm just lost in someone's house.
I don't
Okay,
care.
I'm coming. I'm coming.
I finally get to eat my food.
Where is the house?
Eat
I'm
your-
lost. No, I'm not lost.
Look, guys, you know, I hate to be. Oh, you're using her phone, you know, someone's about to die.
Where
Oh, shit.
is the step to climb inside? No, I don't want to go to work. Thank you very much.
Let's
Oh,
go.
okay.
Get in the car. Get in the car.
In the car.
Because you're using the motorcycle.
Where is the car?
Yay!
Where? Okay, I see.
Maybe you should shut up. You will see the car.
Okay. Okay.
The car's
kill
right
me.
here.
Okay.
Bum kid. Come on.
Wait.
Are you inside the car?
Yeah, I mean.
Okay.
It says I'm too young to use it.
Go turn to the T.
Okay.
Oh my God, Ronnie. Now I'm gonna look for this. I'm coming, stupid. Oh, that's not her house.
Wow.
Turn the phone back on.
Wait.
Oh my God, you're about to log off. No, hurry. And you're gone.
Wait.
Bye. Bye. Psych. Okay, you could get in the car. Let's forget your sister.
Okay.
Okay.
I'm not coming to your party. I'm gonna leave you here. Well, first, let me see if this house is good. If it ain't good, I'm leaving. Bye.
Work in progress. Welcome to Black Blood.
Rumba. Rumba. Dun 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 ba-dum bum 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 ba-dum bum bum.
I think that's her house. Yeah, that's her house.
Dun. Nope, you would have thought we leaving. Let's go to the beach. What you thought this was? Nope. You see how small that pool is? No, thank you.
Oh. You guys just passed me.
I don't know what she thought this was. Here, jump out the car and get out. I'm gonna go pick up your other bum sister.
Wow.
Sorry, honey, you're not special. Stoplight, I don't care.
Gonna get chocolate ice cream.
Can't watch my.
Shut up.
What is this?
What?
I'm recording, Camille.
Can you hear me?
Yes.
Obviously, they can hear you.
Hey, bitches.
Camille! Oh my god, I swear you're so annoying.
You just passed me.
Oh, that's you. I'm sorry, I didn't recognize you. You're so ugly.
Ah.
Rhoda?
I want.
Oh, shut up. You ugly too.
Wow.
Get in the car. I don't got time for this. Get in the car. Get in the car. Like,
Okay.
oh, see, we crashing into trees now.
Ooh, I'm looking under the car. Whoa. This car look good.
No, until I drive into the river.
It look good.
I'm
Your girlfriend tries to leave you.
Really?
It's one dangerous.
Get out the car. Press the jump button.
Okay. I'm out. I'm out.
People below your people.
Oh my god, 15.
Bye. Thank you so much for watching, spending this day with my two bum daughters, bum number 1 and bum number 2. We're out. See you in the next video. Bye. Say bye. What you laughing at? What are you laughing at? Don't let me get the belt. Don't let me get the belt.
This girl got
What you thought this was? What you thought this was? Nah, you better run. Why are you running? Why are you running?